at my bike. Look at my bike. Look. So beautiful. This is the first ride with my new bike. Woohoo! I should be able to ride better. It's a new bike.
Yes, we can.
Yes, we can. No, we can't. So I've been riding like same bike for 5 years, and it's kind of nervous to ride different bikes. And this new bike is a little bit bigger than my previous bike. This is small, and then previous bike is extra small. So I feel like I need a longer leg or something. Going down feels good actually. Just my back brake is a little bit contaminated, so I have to be gentle. Oh yeah.
Hi.
Hiya.
How's it?
I need a brake.
Yeah, do you want to look in the hole for your brake?
No.
Oh.
I'm scared of cave. And stinky smell. Weird creature. Ooey, ooey. What's up? Crashed?
I crashed.
Oh! Fast crash? Nice! Oh my god, that's horrible!
So the brakes on Yuka's bike were my old Saints from the Nomad, and it turned out the rear brake was leaking, so it contaminated her rotor and pads. So now we have to decontaminate them. So when I lived in a house, I would just stick them in the oven for 20 minutes at like 300 or 400 Fahrenheit. But we don't have an oven here, so we can just use the stove and burn off that extra fluid.
Today is the second day riding my new bike. So last night we decontaminated by the stove. Today the brake should feel better. Well, today feels pretty good, but this brake is different from my previous brake. It's much stronger. The first time Eric switched to this brake, he smashed his face. I don't want to smash my face.
How's your bike?
Good brake.
Yeah, the brakes are working?
Yeah, brakes are working great now, yeah. And it's stronger.
Oh yeah.
So like, I don't know.
Your hands aren't as tired?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Nice. Oh, we are above the clouds. That's cool. Oh no. Oh, dog. Oh. Oh, I'm scared.
You scared?
I'm scared of dog. Oh. I'm still building some trust between me and my new bike.
Yeah, me too.
You too?
Yeah, building trust.
Building trust.
You have to learn it, right?
Important. I have to know her better. Mount Low East Trail. Nice. building some trust. Oh, still, honey, still I like my old bike better.
Really?
Yeah, because I know the bike.
Oh.
I have to learn how to love my bike again. Really loose. My bike is still wild. Don't use too much brake. Oh yeah.
Yeah? Is it stressful?
Kind of, yeah. Not for you?
Uh,
Are you having fun? Like sun surf?
yeah, it's a little bit surfing, I was saying. Yeah,
Yeah, but you can't surf. You never surf.
that's exactly what I said too.
I decided her name.
Oh, your bike?
Yes.
Tell me.
Owl.
Owl. Oh, it means blue
Yes.
in Japanese.
It's Aka.
Mine's Aka. Aka and Owl.
Yes.
Norco Range.
The sisters.
Sisters. Oh yeah? I like it.
You like it?
But
Cute.
you seem to have an affinity for colors and names. Because our green Honda Element is Midori.
That's true. So easy to remember, right?
Yeah, you just have to know Japanese colors.
Yeah, and easy to remember, and it's good for you to learn Japanese. Easy word.
Yes.
Today is the 4th day of riding. It's my new bike. Oh, it's so beautiful here. I love it.
Okay, good.
Okay! Nice, you guys can go. Come on. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Nice. Oh, nice. Excuse me. Oh, he's here already. Where did he come from? Nice.
Oh yeah, easy, right?
Yeah. Just a little bit scary, I guess. We have a guest tonight. Good night, Trevor.
Fun? This stuff is fun.
It's not easy.
Yeah. A little bit slippery too.
I guess so, yeah. And maybe we didn't really ride those skinnies for a long time. Was it really that skinny? It's been like that? Yeah! Did you get it?
I got it.
Nice. First time.
First time? Oh yeah.
Yes.
It's a tricky one. Okay, you want to do this?
It's changed to black now.
Yeah, I know. It's black now.
What do you think? It's big, huh?
It's so slow.
Looked easy for you. It's just like nothing. Oh, yo, 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 yo. Oh,
You made it.
I did.
I'm a little surprised.
I did a little bit surprised, yes. That was first time too. Two times first time.
You want a Coke? Share one?
Okay. But you have to promise me we never ever buy a Coke again.
Like, what about at McDonald's?
Okay, it's an exception.
Yeah, but no 24 packs anymore?
No 24 packs, no 12 packs, no 36 packs.
Should be cheap here though.
How are you doing today?
Good, thanks. Hey, what do you have a vegetarian burger?
She doesn't understand you.
Are you dead?
No, we don't.
Oh.
Oh, this is American food.
It's a lot too.
Looks so unhealthy. Red? Okay, so Eric found something